In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brush color in Photopea quickly and easily so you can start painting with the exact color you want instead of guessing or wasting time. This is a simple skill, but once you know it, it makes a huge difference whenever you are editing, drawing, retouching, or creating digital art inside Photopea. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump right in. First, look at the toolbar on the far left side of your screen and select the brush tool. You can click the brush icon, which looks like a paintbrush, or if you want to move faster, just press B on your keyboard. Once the brush tool is active, you're ready to change the color that your brush will use. Now look near the bottom of that same left toolbar. You'll see two overlapping colored squares. The top square is your foreground color, and this is the color your brush paints with. The bottom square is the background color, which is used for other functions, but for brushing, the top square is the one that matters. To change the brush color, click directly on the top square. As soon as you do, the color picker window will open. This is where you can choose any color you want for your brush. Inside the color picker, start by choosing the hue. In the center of the window, you'll see a thin vertical rainbow slider. Click and drag the white arrows up or down until you find the base color you want, whether that's red, blue, green, yellow, purple, or anything in between. After that, move over to the large square gradient area on the left. This is where you control the shade of the color. Click anywhere inside that square to make the color brighter, darker, more saturated, or more muted depending on the look you want. If you want a vivid color, choose a more intense spot in the square. If you want something softer or lighter, move toward the lighter areas. As you make your selection, pay attention to the preview boxes at the bottom right. The new box shows the color you just selected, while the current box shows the color your brush was using before. This makes it easy to compare and confirm your choice before applying it. Once you're happy with the color, click OK to close the color picker and lock in the new brush color. Now your brush tool is ready, and anything you paint on the canvas will use that exact color. If you want to change colors again later, just repeat the same steps. Click the foreground color square, choose your hue, adjust your shade, and hit OK. It's that simple. And that's how to change color in Photopea the easy way. If this helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.